Yeah, we're waiting for the camera guy.
We've been working a lot with Rose and Spud over the last couple of years, and we're excited for them to talk with our board to kind of kick off the week and kind of frame the week in itself for the public. So.
And classroom library. Apparently, they want it to be epic.
Come on, talk to me.
You go faster? Wait, you go faster.
What are we doing?
11 seconds. Go faster.
It looks like maybe the home will be in the library, so.
Just to look at it.
Yep, I kind of like that, just as a space to do something that's a little more comfortable.
Yep.
More like an art classroom or like a science classroom with the non-carpeted floors, yeah.
I like those schools.
Maybe water for the aquaponic one, then just connecting inside tubing. But that would give you the hardwood look.
Yep.
And then seating in between.
One of those HGTV things of like, how do they do that? I would urge you to volunteer and find out.
This feels very cramped to me. I would like to be able to spread it out, maybe have fewer tables. This is my 4th year as a librarian in this room, and I'm very, very excited to see how it's transformed for the students.
Dolphins can swim. Though nothing will keep us together. We can be heroes just for one day.
What?
Only 14 up here, 16, a huge I-beam.
Yeah. That's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's good, right?
The question with that.